Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. So guys, yeah, I have two ways to do this. First way guys, use the Fetch bot guys, Fred bot guys, as you can see here, Fred bot. And this is the first method guys I have. This is the bot. You can use this bot, click one and click invite to server, and you can just invite here, click right of the server one, click continue, the right type of server, and click authorize. And through this bot guys, all you have to do, just await, click view here, a voice, you can server join a voice channel and type this one on Fredbot, and then you will stream your uploaded music for everyone to hear your second. You can stream guys, as I say, you can use this bot to stream your uploaded. So guys, this from here you can add it to go to the room music, and you can view the track, and you can upload to Discord. The second method guys that I have, it is screen share. Open up music and go to desktops and join and start streaming with any stream programs, and you can not directly this integration. And this is how you can do guys. You can enable system audio, so your friend you can hear the music as your play, and this you will how you can do. It's not direct, but it is good method. Thanks guys for watching this video.